Welcome to Dallas Plumber Finder, located online at dallasplumber.cc. Today, we review one of the top 10 Dallas plumbers. The name of the company is Dallas Plumbing and Air Conditioning Company. You'll be able to see our review specifically at our website by entering our homepage and clicking on the company review. Just to spend a few minutes talking about this company, they're also known as the Dallas Plumbing Company. This is a business review. They're located at 11055 Plano Road in Dallas, Texas, zip code 75238. This is an actual plumbing service. We mention that in our reviews because there are a lot of top-rated websites that are not actually plumbers. So we want you to be, as a consumer, aware of that. Overall, the rating is poor for this company. You can see the areas in red below on this particular review. Also notice potential deceptive internet marketing practices by this company. There certainly are bad reviews, and there's definitely no website legal disclaimers, and there's a lack of online engagement with their customers. The reliability report that we provide here is compiled from available online resources. A couple areas to highlight as we scroll down the page here. Usually the major highlights are in red. Again, poor ratings on Google, insider pages. Very interesting on the best pick reports section. The company actually links to this review company from their homepage, yet it's an obvious, blaring, contrived listing, meaning the only reviews that are shown, which are 3, are not very, certainly not bad reviews, but you'll notice you also cannot leave a review there. So it's not very reliable type of source. Also, the phone number shown there appears to be a tracking phone number, which indicates a paid type listing, not often the most trustable. And of course, if you get a moment and you're interested in reading this review deeper, you can do so. One other blaring issue as we come down to the page here in our particular review for the Dallas Plumbing Company is that they have no privacy policy, no Children or Child Protection Act privacy policy, no terms of use, and no testimonials disclaimer. And that typically means that a company is not really even watching out for themselves online, so you can be or should be concerned about them having the ability to watch out for you as a consumer using their service. Nonetheless, quite a bit more detailed information here at dallasplumber.cc. The link is below the video here. We do provide, I'll bring you to the top of the website, we do provide a very quick way to get a Dallas plumber to be matched up with a plumber in the Dallas area. That's part of our service. And of course, you can contact this plumber directly through our service if that's of interest to you and if they provide service in your area. So that's it for today. Stay tuned. More reviews coming at the dallasplumber.cc website. And again, the link directly to this review, this full review online, is right below the video here on YouTube. Thanks for visiting. Take care. We'll keep you informed and talk to you soon.